I've heard writers like Philip Roth talk about it. Sometimes your characters are smarter than you are. I think a lot of novelists like myself, we see a question that we can't answer. And I think, I think this is the greatest country in the world. This is where I'm from. I love America so much. And I just kept wondering, why was race a problem we couldn't quite figure out? And so basically I gave my narrator, I said, narrator, figure this out for me. And so he sort of wanders through the book. It's satirical, but it's also, sometimes dark. And so he just sort of bumps into walls and makes mistakes. And as he does it, you sort of see, oh, that's why we think that way, or that's why that happened. And so he taught me a few things as a person through his character. So many writers write in isolation, and you don't know if people are going to want to read your work. And I think that I've been lucky to come to this point where I see, well, you know what? I'm a pretty good writer, and people enjoy what I write. One of the things that we have to do as writers and artists is understand that you put work into it, you will face some rejection, but the more successful you get, the less rejection you get. What happens is you get to a point where people respond positively. And so, maybe you spend an entire year submitting things with no acceptances at all. And then the next year you get one acceptance, and it feels wonderful. You're over the moon. And the next year you get 5 acceptances. And so it sort of builds and builds and builds and builds until eventually you understand that you've hit a groove and you're moving forward. Well, I do want to say that Maine Media Workshops is a place that anybody who wants to become a better artist or writer should consider. They attract very serious people. People who come here are artists who want to work and they want to become better very quickly. And I think ultimately what happens is that they feel more empowered, more ready to go out into the world as professional writers and produce work that people want to read. And so I found that in my students, they understand that they're going to work and they're going to learn and they're going to enjoy themselves. And I've seen it every single day I've been here. It's been a real pleasure.